today's video is going to be a little bit more on the crafty side rather than the sciencey side. We are going to make some watercolor paper towels. Reason paper towels, Jordan asked, is because paper towels are a lot more absorbent. So instead of drawing a picture, we're just going to kind of like put colors in different places and it'll start to spread. And it'll make this really cool kind of watercolory looking paper towel slash picture slash whatever. So what you're going to need is you're going to need paintbrushes. You're going to need watercolor paint. This stuff is the tube kind. I actually had to Google how to use it because I've never used it. That's not in a palette. That's why we have little mini cups with a little bit of water in them, and we're just gonna squeeze the tubes in there and just mix it all together. And then you're gonna need some paper towels. We have the little half sheets. You can do a full sheet if you want. So yeah, we're just gonna kind of mess around with this. There's no really like right way or rhyme or reason or whatever to do it. Just kind of just start painting or let your kids paint, and we'll go from there. So that's kind of where we're at. Jordan's gonna do the blues, so he's gonna do blue, purple, green, and then I'm gonna do the cooler tones, and I'm gonna do pink, orange, and I think yellow or red. One of those 3 or 4. So go from there. Ready?
Ready. What design are you doing?
I don't know yet. Mine kind of like the colors I picked are like a sunset, so I might do like some sort of like gradient sunset type thing. What do you think?
I have no idea actually.
You have no idea what yours?
None.
None idea?
There we go.
Yours done?
Yep.
So these are the finished products. You can either let them air dry, or I'm gonna take a hair dryer to them, like a cool hair dryer, and see if we can get them to dry a little bit quicker, and we'll show you guys the finished products. So these are the finished watercolor paintings. Jordan told me now his looks like Sully and Mike Wazowski from Monsters Inc. And then this one is mine, and they're both dry now, so if your kids do this, you can hang them up, you can do whatever you want with them. Just something kind of keep them entertained for a little bit during everything that's going on. So they turned out pretty cool. I mean, just a typical watercolor type thing, something to stay busy with, and there you go. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.